Hello everyone, welcome to My Life is Mathland. Today we will discuss about greatest integer function. Please subscribe my channel, you will get more videos. Let's to move to the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is refers as a floor function. It represents as a step f of x is equal to step of x, floor of x, and greatest integer part of x. Domain of the step x real numbers, range integers. Function always rounding down the input value. An example, draw the number line. In the diagram, after locate the numbers. After locating, I will take the 1.9. Step of 1.9, it reached to the 1. Can you guess? Step of 2.7, what is the value? 2. What is the value of step of 5.99? 5. What about negative number, real numbers? The positive number reach to left side number, as well as the negative numbers also will reach to the left side number. So minus 2.7 reach to minus 3. Step of minus 5.99 reach minus 6. Can you guess what is the graph of the step function? The step graph of the step function, it will be like the steps. So always receive to the left side number. If you observe given figure, you will know. First step function, domain real numbers, range integers. Now let's move to the fractional part of a function. The greatest integer about whole number part. So greatest integer take the represent a whole number part, and the fractional part represented by a fractional part of a function. It represented by f of x is equal to the curved brackets x means fractional part of x. What is the mathematical definition of a fractional part of x? The fractional part of x is number is defined as a difference between the x and its floor. Its floor means step function. So example, step of 4.72 is equal to 4.72 minus 4, that is equal to 0.72. Step of 5.00 is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Let's do for negative value. Fractional part of minus 1.3, there is equal to minus 1.3 minus of step of minus 1.3, there is equal to minus so fractional part of minus 1.3 is equal to minus 1.3 minus of minus 2 is equal to 0.7. The fundamental identities. Rule. X is equal to step x plus fractional part of x, where 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x less than or equal to 1. So step x less than or equal to x less than or equal to step x plus 1. So example, x is equal to 4.7. Now 4.7 write as a step of 4.7 plus fractional part of 4.7. So step of 4.7 4 and fractional part of 4.7 0.7. So the value is 4.7. Example for negative. X is equal to minus 2.3. So minus 2.3 is equal step of minus 2.3 plus fractional part of minus 2.3. There is equal to step of minus 2.3 minus 3 plus 0.7. The integer additivity. What is the rule? The rule is step of x plus n is equal to step x plus n, where n is belongs to z. Example problem. Step of x plus 5 is equal to step of x plus 5. Warning. It's warning to you. X plus 0.5 is not equal to step of x plus 0.5. This is a trap. Don't fall it. Now move to the reflection property. Negative x. This is most frequently tested in property JEE limits and continuous. Step of x plus step of minus x is equal to 0, x belongs to z, minus 1, x not belongs to z. Example, x is equal to 3, step 3 plus step of minus 3, there is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3.2, step of 3.2 plus minus 3.2, step of minus 3.2. So step 3 minus 4 that value. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now we will go to the inequality rules. These rules are vital for finding domain and function involve the square roots of logarithms. What will happen? Step x is greater than equal to n. X always greater than equal to n only. So step x is greater than equal to n. X is belongs to n to infinity. Let's go example. Step of x is greater than equal to 5. So x belongs to 5 to infinity. That's all. Step of x is less than equal to n. So x is less than n plus 1. Step x is less than equal to 5. So x belongs to minus infinity to 6. Open interval both. What will happen? Step of x is greater than n. Step of x, which means x is greater than equal to n plus 1. So example, a step of x is greater than 5. X is greater than equal to 6. So x belongs to 6 to infinity. Open. Step x less than n. So x less than n. So step x is less than 5, x less than 5, x belongs to minus infinity to 5. These identities. It is the formula you can use so many JEE mains problems. Okay, what is the formula? Step of x plus step of x plus 1 by n plus step of x plus 2 by n and so on. Step of x plus n minus 1 by n is equal to n into step of nx. Let's take n is equal to 2. Step of x plus step of x plus 1 by 2. There is equal to step of 2x. So x is equal to verification, x is equal to 1.3. So step of 1.3 plus 1.3 plus 0.5 is equal to 1 plus 1, there is equal to, from formula step of 3 2 into 1.3, there is equal to 2.6, there is equal to. Now we will go to the composite property. It is very easy property. Step of step x is equal to step x, which means step of 4.9, there is equal to 4. This only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe my channel.